Welcome to Bahria Town Karachi, Pakistan. So today I am going to show you the place or some places here in Bahria Town, Karachi, and some beautiful architectural arts as well. The best thing that I like here in this town is the road. They have wide roads, clean, neat, and no hassle for traffic. There is no traffic unless you will just enter inside the town. And the residential here has its own types of or kind of residential areas. There are areas that are just for houses, just like row houses, and some areas has single detached houses, or they have a separate houses each neighborhood. And also they have here, or you don't need to worry about schools because they have already schools here, also has their own hospitals, amusement park, and also commercial areas. And did you see these sides? This side is for walking side. I mean, if you want to walk or just have exercise, or you want to jog, these sides are so wide for you to jog or to run or to walk. And they have also this bus station within the city or within the town. Actually, it looks really so big, and it looks like already a city, a small city. And these are the kind of houses that is single detached, right? They have spaces for each houses, but actually that's not exactly the right space, or not that wide vacant space. These are actually the samples of the house, but I think not yet, or people are not yet living or buying that area. That's why there are little houses still. And here we stop in this sidewalk for a while to take our break. And you see the sun view, it's so beautiful, and it changes as time passes by. So here everything is so peaceful and quiet, although there are people or cars, but as I said, there is no traffic here because the roads are really wide and clean. It seems like you are out of Karachi. I'm sorry, but actually within Karachi you can see all so much garbage at every side of the street, but in this town it is really clean. But I cannot tell you if it's really safe because people can easily get inside. So here, this is actually the entrance area. As you enter in the town, this is the road over here. Alright, so see, there is no much traffic still, and that blue side is the side road or walk, or where you can walk. Now it's already 9, and this is the way to get out, and there are lots of lights along the streets. See, there is still no much traffic. It's really very easy to drive and so nice to drive. You will really enjoy the moment of driving and strolling all over the town. This is one kind of architectural arts that I really like. It's so beautiful. This is one of the entrance gate here in the town. We are now in our way back home. In front of us is the amusement park. Here, you can have all the kind of rides in all ages. And there is also a restaurant like McDonald's, KFC, and other fast foods. And the entrance in that amusement park is 4,000 rupees before. I have no idea this time. For sure, it got high for one head. You can use all the rides inside with that amount. And yeah, that's it. And here we are going home. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and have a great day. See you on my next video. Thank you.